We are Natacha and Sacha. Since 2017, we decided to work together and make design projects. We quickly faced difficulties. The main one was about how to work together as a team with two computers. Later on, we met a lot of people working with different softwares, whose skills were singular and various. Even though the tasks that we achieve can be numerous and unique, we could observe same mechanism and gesture. We think universal should not mean standard. Standing in front of a computer involves a passive behavior including body immobility and fixed eyes. To address this issue, a lot of new products were put on the market as palliative solutions. Never questioning the basic configuration of the computer. This project, Computer Variations, aims to redefine the archetype computer as a collective workspace and tries to imagine how we could use it differently. An extruded aluminum rail, provided with a processing capacity, allows to connect all types of input and output devices. This modular rail system gives full flexibility in use through customization, aiming personal layout and content. The tabletop is covered by a touch-sensitive surface, which invites users to do larger gestures and to manipulate digital contents with several hands. The instruments interact with existing softwares to create new kinds of cross-interactions between people, digital, and tangible world. These primary gestures should aim to revitalize everyday actions and are intended to ultra-specific needs. Some of these instruments are especially useful to facilitate the transition between tangible resources and digital tools.